Hi sir, let me quickly show you how to do the installation. You can see this is actually the folder. You see install, you see patch. So if you open this folder called install, you're going to see setup. Okay, it's already installed on my system. So if you double click on it or you just run it as administrator, okay, you can see it has opened here and it's loading on the background. Once you're done with the installation, you just follow the prompt. Okay, just keep clicking next until it takes you to the end. Once you are done with the installation, it will ask you for where you insert this password, and I'm going to show you that much more later. Once you are done with the installation here, the next thing you see is the patch. Okay, all you need to do is just to copy the whole of this, and then you go to the directory here. You can see this is Midas Ngen. Open file location, and then you paste them here. Okay, once you paste, now you can see the Midas Ngen here. If I run this as administrator, now it's going to ask you for the password. Okay, this is what you input in there. Let me check that for you. Sorry. Password, look at it here. If you open this file here, you are going to see the name and the password. So all you need to do is just to copy it, copy the name, paste, copy the password and paste, and that is all. Okay, you can see it here. Now if I copy this name here, and I paste, I'll copy this password, and then I paste there. Okay, so once you are done with that, the software is actually going to automatically open for you. Okay, that is just all about it. And then inside the software, when you come to let me try to open it. That's when you are done with the whole installation. Okay, there is one last thing I need to show you. Okay, here is going to ask for the name, labteam.org. Then here you paste that password, that same password. Okay, and then the listing. Okay, you can see it's loading. So once it brings you here, you can come to this license here. Okay, it's still loading in the background anyway.
We can drop it at the nearest bus stop if you like.
Okay, I think it's still loading. It's loading. Okay, you come to license here. Okay, you know mine is already activated. So when you go under that license, let me look for that for you.
How are you guys doing?
Okay, we'll tell.
If this isn't a sign, then I don't know what is.
So that's the last thing here I need to show you.
We'll be on our way. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Fantastic. You two are some lucky babies.
Project information.
Should I check it out?
Supposed to be on the. Okay.
Sure about that.
Well, I can't find it right now, but just once you are able to get to this step, I'm going to show you the last thing to do there. Okay, because mine is already activated, so not really getting that option. So that license there, there's something you need to input there, and that is all. So I will show you that much more later. I'll have to close this now. Let me try to open it again.
Ross, all these questions already asked. What you find?
Let me enter this name, Lafton.
The talks are they make too much noise.
Org.
You know me now. No.
This is the password.
I really do. Right. I believe you're there for business. The business of killing Kola Demon. Huh? You hired to kill Kola Demon. But somehow he got onto you and you got rejected from the premises. Now he may have gotten rid of you then, but you came back.
About?
You came back and you finished the job. You get evidence. That's yours.
Okay. Look at license here. Exactly. This is what I'm looking for. You can see the key number here. You just type, you input 16 digits there. Okay, you can see I used 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then I started all over 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. Okay, so if you count from 1 to this end, that you have 7. These are 16 digits. Okay, so just input any 16 digits that you know, and then here is on standalone, and that is all. You are actually done with this activation. So make sure it's actually on hardware lock, okay, not this other one. Sorry, web authentication. This password is the same thing as what I have here, so it's actually the same. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So that is actually what I have here. So try this first. If it didn't work, switch it to web authentication. I know it's actually one of it, I've forgotten. So once you are done with that, the software will start working perfectly. So if you have any challenge, please just let me know. Okay.